Good morning, all of you BSc student. So today we want to see here in the solid state physics that chapter is the crystalline state, and we have to continue here the point which is the atomic radius, and that already see have what is mean by atomic radius. That atomic radius which is considered as or which is defined as half the distance between the two nearest neighboring atoms, half the distance between two nearest neighboring atoms of the same kind. Or in last lecture the simple cubic system, we have to see that the radius here which is r is equal to a by 2, and we want to see in the what is the idea of the to find the radius of in the face centered cubic structure. So that consider as in this figure that face centered cubic structure, that atoms are the corner of the cubic system which is situated in this type of the fashion. So this atom which is the corners of the cube, and other which is the center of the faces of the cube. So consider for example, so this total distance which is considered as the a, this is the radius of the this circle of the atom, this is r, consider this is r, this r, this r. So we have to see here, so if we connect the center of this the atom of the this crystal, so C has here, so this is the distance which is considered as r, this is also r, so this is the whole circle, so that's why this radius is r and this radius is r. So total distance that is considered as the diameter which is considered as the 2r. So consider as the point a b c d, this center point is the o, this point which is considered as a, this point which is considered as b, this point considered as c, and this point considered which is as d. And already we have to see that what is mean by the radius. So that is radius which is considered as the half of the distance of the two neighboring atoms. Or in this FCC structure, that neighboring atoms which are at the corners of the cube, and that consider here, so what is the radius, that atomic radius which is considered as r is equal to OA by 2. So that r is equal to OA by 2. So consider here in this FCC structure that atomic radius, so that atomic radius which is considered as this r is equal to, what is definition, that definition which is the half of the distance between two neighboring atoms. So consider for this is the neighboring atom and this neighboring atom, so that radius which is considered as that r is equal to this distance for two neighboring atoms which is OA, so that is considered as OA divided by 2, or consider as OC which is by OC by 2. So consider at the right angle triangle of the ABC. So consider as right angle triangle ABC. So what is the relation between here according to the Pythagoras theorem? So this is the hypotenuse of this side, so that is the AC. This is the one side of this right angle triangle which is the AB, and this is one of the side which is considered as the right angle triangle, so that the BC. So according to the Pythagoras relation or Pythagoras theorem, so this is what, so that figure B which is the face centered cubic system, and in this system we have to find here the atomic radius. So that relation according to the Pythagoras theorem, that hypotenuse square, so that is mean by AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. So consider as this side which is considered as A, so according to this side which is considered as A, this is considered as the A. And what is mean by this AC? That AC is this R, that is the atomic, that radius of the circle, this is R, and this is total diameter is the 2R. So consider as this AC square, that consider as AC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square. So this AC which is considered as this R plus 2R plus R, so R plus 2R plus R whole square is equal to A square, so that this side square plus this side square which is considered as A square. So this R plus 2R plus R, so that is known as the 4R whole square is equal to 2A square, and this is 4R square considered as the 16R square is equal to 2A square, and this R square which is considered as 2A square divided by 16. Okay, so that 4R square is equal to A square, so squaring of this side which is considered 16R square, and this 16 which is get to denominator of this side, so that relation will become that R square is equal to 2 1 the 2 or 2 8 the 16, so that is considered as A square divided by 2 1 the 1 or 2 8 the 16, and this 16 which is writing in terms of 4 into 2, 4 into 2. Okay, and if taking square root of both side, so that relation will become here R is equal to A divided by 2 into root 2. R is equal to A divided by 2 into root 2. So this is the atomic radius of the face center cubic structure. So once again summarize of this point. So this FCC structure, that atom which is situated or located at the corner of the each side, so that R is equal to OA by 2, that is the half distance of the neighboring atoms, and according to the right angle triangle for the Pythagoras theorem, this relation will become, and this radius we have to calculate here. So now next cubic structure of the atomic radius we want to finding here, which is considered as the body center cubic structure. And in body center cubic structure, that BCC, that the atoms at the corner of there is one atom of the center of the shown, or center of the atom which is showing in the figure, and we want to calculate the atomic radius also same of this FCC structure. So next point, which is the BCC atomic radius. Now consider this next structure, which is considered to find the atomic radius of the body center cubic system. In body center cubic system, so we have to know that idea. So 8 corner which is situated at the corners of the each corners of the cube of the each side, and one which is the center of the cube. So see, consider here for these 3 atom which is neighboring to each other, so that radius of this circular circle which is considered as R, this which is considered as R, and this is R plus R, that is considered diameter which is considered as 2R. So this side which is considered as A, this A, this A, and this A, and this center point which is considered as the OA. And according to the definition of the atomic radius, which is considered as r is equal to, that is the half of the distance between two neighboring atom by, so that is the that distance between the two neighboring atoms, which is considered as OA divided by 2, OA divided by 2. And if we find what is the AC, because this AC square we want to find, because this angle which is made up of the right angle triangle, which is ACG, and we have to need here what is the distance between this AC. So according to the Pythagoras relation, so this AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square, and this AC square, which is considered as, this is the A square, and this side which is also A square, so that is equal to 2A square. So that's AC which is coming for this, which is considered as under root of 2 into A. So this AC side which is considered as under root of 2A. Okay, this is about AC. But consider this total hypotenuse side, which is considered as AG, and this AG which is considered this R plus this 2R plus this R, so that is total distance which is considered as the 4R. Now that consider the right angle triangle, that ACG. So consider right angle triangle ACG. Okay, so this ACG. So again here, according to this Pythagoras theorem, so that AG square is equal to AC square plus CG square, so that is AG whole square is equal to AC square plus GC square or CG square. So this relation, which is according to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so consider here AG square, which is considered as R plus 2R plus this R, so that is considered as 4R whole square, which is considered as this AC square, that is considered as under root of 2 into A whole square plus this CG square, which is considered as the A square. Okay, so that 4R square, which is nothing but the 16R square, is equal to this under root of 2A square, that nothing but 2A square plus this A square, so that is considered as this R square is equal to 2A square plus this A square, which is considered as 3A square, and this 16 which is coming in this denominator side, so that is 16. If we take the square root of the, taking square root of both side, square root of both sides, so consider here, so that R is equal to under root of 3 divided by 4 into A, so that the atomic radius of this BCC structure, which is considered as the under root of 3 by 4 into A. Now next main point which is considered here, so that is considered as the number of atoms in a unit cell. number of atoms in a unit cell, and there is a define one of the formula. So by helping of this formula we get idea, so for which cubic system how many number of atoms which is present in this unit cell, so that it point the number of atoms in a unit cell. The number of atoms in a unit cell, and the formula which is given by the total number of atom per unit cell, which is given by cell is given by, so that is total number of atom which is considered as capital N, and that is given by Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8. So N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8. Okay, so this N is the total number of atom per unit cell. Ni is the number of body centered atom. So Ni, which is considered as number of body centered atom, so this is considered as Ni. Nf, which is considered as the number of face centered atom. Number of face centered atom, and Nc, which is considered as number of corner atom. Number of corner atom. So this is the formula of the number of atoms in a unit cell, that total number of atom per unit cell, which is the formula that capital N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8, and that Ni is the number of body centered atom, Nf is the number of face centered atom, and Nc, which is given as number of corner atom. So consider here in this formula, with the help of we have to finding the number of atom in a unit cell for the simple cubic crystal. So first system, which is simple cubic crystal. Simple cubic crystal, and in this simple cubic crystal we have considered here there are only 8 atoms which is present at the corners of their 4, so that here Ni is equal to how much, Nf is equal to how much, and Nc is equal to how much. So in simple cubic crystal, so total 8 atoms which is corners of the cube, correct. So consider for comparison for this number of atoms per unit cell, which is given by N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 8. And Ni is the number of body center atom, and in simple cubic structure, so only 8 atoms, which is the corners of the cube. So that is here number considered as the Ni, which is equal to 0. Next point, which is considered as Nf is equal to number of face center atom, and in simple cubic structure, that is there is no atoms which is located at the face center. So that is the value of Nf, which is equal to 0. And next point, which is considered as Nc, that the number of corner atom, and here total 8 atoms which is located at the corner. So that Nc is equal to 8. So that putting this value in this formula, so this value putting for this formula, Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 2. So Ni value is 0, so that Nf value is also 0, so that 0 by 2, that is 0. And Nc value, that is 8 by 8, so that N is equal to how much? 1. N is equal to how much? 1. So that is, we have to say that for such crystal there is one atom in each cell. There is one atom in each cell in simple cubic structure. There is one atom. There is one atom in each cell. In each cell. So consider once again simple cubic structure, total 8 atoms which is located at the corners, and no centered or no face centered atoms which is present. So that's why Ni value is 0, Nf value is 0, and Nc value is 8. So N is equal to 0 plus 8 by 8, so that is 1. And that's why we have to conclude that the total number of atom in a unit cell in such that crystal which is 1. Now next type, which is considered as base centered cubic structure or face centered cubic structure. So next point, which is considered as second point, which is face centered cubic structure, so which is considered as the FCC structure. Or in FCC structure, so 8 atoms with the corner and 1 atom at the center of each 6 faces. Okay, so 8 atom is corners of cube and 6 atoms is center of faces, center of the faces. So that consider as here, so that number of body center, so that Ni is equal to 0, Nf, that is the face centered, so that number given as 6 atoms, and Nc, which is given as 8. So N is equal to total number of atom per unit cell, which is given as 0 plus 6 by 2 and plus 8 by 8. So that number which is given as 2 3 the 6, so that 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So number of atom in a unit cell in such a crystal, so there are 4 atoms in each cell. There are 4 atoms in each cell. Now, so what is this is face centered cubic structure, and we have to know idea. So that 8 atoms of the corner of each and 6 atoms which is the center of the faces. So that here Ni value is 0, Np is 6, Nc is equal to 8. According to this formula, N is equal to Ni plus Nf plus Nc, that Nf by 2 and Nc by 8. So that's 6 by 2 plus 8 by 8, that number which is given by 4, and that's why we have to say that. So that the face centered cubic structure total or number of atoms in a unit cell which is considered as 4. Next type which is considered as the BCC structure, and that BCC structure we have to given by what is, so base centered cubic structure, that is BCC, and in this BCC structure which is considered as, so that 8 atoms which is corners of the cube, and next one which is the body centered, so that the one atom is at the center of the cube, one atom is center of the cube. So consider here, so that Ni, so that is N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 2. So here Ni, that is number of atom centers of the cube, which is given by 1, correct. So Nc or Nf which is given 0 and Nc which is 8. So that given this formula, according to this formula, N is equal to Ni plus Nf by 2 plus Nc by 2. So that is N is equal to 1 plus Nf which is 0 and plus 8 by 8. So this is 1. So that N is equal to 2. So that there are 2 atoms in each cell. So consider here, in the body center cubic structure, 8 atoms for the corner of the cube and 1 is the center of the cube. So that according to this total number of atom per unit cell, according to this formula, we have to get this calculation, so that N is equal to 2, and that's why we have to say that there are 2 atoms in each cell. So next point which is here consider in this next lecture, so that is known as the coordination number. And what is mean by the coordination number? That the number of nearest neighbors that an atom has in a unit cell, which is called as a coordination number. And packing fraction, so this point which is see in the next lecture. Thanking of you.